was just feeling really creative, and I did this look right here. And I really just pushed myself to make a tutorial because I did one eye, and then I posted it on Twitter, and you guys really wanted to see how I did it. So I did it for y'all. Yeah, it's really late, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm gonna do a voiceover. Girl, can you hear me? Hello. And yeah, you'll see how this is done, hopefully. And y'all better watch this shit because I really put my heart and soul into this, and I really be going above and beyond for y'all. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my fucking channel. It's free, gratis, 0% interest, and all that good shit. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay, y'all, what it do? Let me just go ahead and jump straight into this. I was tired of the subculture slander, so I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. Ooh, bitch, I'm a mess. Anyway, moving on. So jumping in, we're gonna use the shade Rosy, I believe. Bitch, I am blind. Roxy, I'm a dumb bitch. You're gonna go ahead and just sweep that all over the crease. If you notice when I'm picking up this shadow, you're just picking up the smallest amount because literally this palette is the epitome of a little bit goes a long way. So now I'm going into All Star. You see that concentration? Just a little tap. Just going to go ahead and deepen the crease up with that and focus most of the color on the outer corner, and whatever is left over on your brush, sweep it into the crease all the way across. Period. Then I'm going to go back into Roxy and I'm going to blend out All Star. It's a lot of back and forth between shadows. You just want a nice seamless blend. So keep 3 brushes on hand. Hey. Then I went in with this AliExpress brush. Oop, AliExpress English, hello. And you go into this shade, what's it called? Rowdy? Come through. Yeah, so this one's a dangerous shade. But again, like I said in the beginning, a little goes a long, long way. So yeah, be really careful. Again, focus the color on the outer corner and whatever's left, sweep it into the crease. Look at me all proud and shit. So I'm just like showing you here that you want to bring that all the way to your inner corner because we're going to cut the crease anyway. So you just really want to bring it all the way over, make it cute. You can take that brush again, go back into All Star and blend out Rowdy, period. No harsh lines. And then you're going to go back into Roxy and then blend that out. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this crease. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape, my first and last Tarte Shape Tape, period. And we're gonna flatten this little brush right here, and then just go in, do your cut crease the best you can, cause girl, this was the best I could. Really hold your breath, say a prayer, and go in. Cut the L. We're not going all the way across, we're just gonna stop like 3/4 of the way out, right where all the color is concentrated on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take this other AliExpress brush, and this is where you're gonna start packing and blending and doing that nice little ombre effect on the lid. So very carefully, just pick it up, pack. Bitch, what are you looking at? Pack it, keep packing, blend in, and then you're gonna go into All Star. That's gonna be your next shade, and you're gonna pack it right next to it. Don't worry about getting the gradient effect yet. You're just packing the pigments first. So do it as clean as possible. Don't overthink it. If it looks crazy right now, it's cool. Then you're gonna go into Roxy and then pack that next, right next to All Star. Just make sure you get that payoff, which is not that hard with this palette, trust. Then you're gonna go into the shade Dawn, and it's gonna be like the most inner corner. I use that shade like a base because we're gonna put a shimmer on top, so it's not that deep. So now right here, I'm just showing you, you're gonna take those same 3 shades, just over and over again, and just start blending it. Girl, fix your face. And we're just gonna go ahead and use that to blend it and get you that nice gradient effect. Yes, I did that. So now this is my little hack for cut creases. I just took a little detailed brush. I think this is for like nails or whatever. You're just gonna go ahead and concentrate the shade Roxy, or oops, you're gonna concentrate the shade Rowdy on the outer corner to really give it that contrast between your lid and the little cut crease. So just take a small amount. Did you see how it looked like literally a Sharpie running across my crease? This shit is pigmented. So yeah, just go ahead and run it, and you're gonna blend it out. Then I took All Star and I blended out Rowdy with it, with this little ass brush. It's like, honestly, a godsend. I don't know if this is cheating, but I don't care, you're not gonna beat my ass. Then I'm gonna go in with the same 3 colors as usual. Girl, fix, you're okay. And you know, same thing, just go ahead and blend it out, blend. Make sure everything's nice and cute and seamless. And I also took the detail brush and went on the lid colors, just to, you know, give it that fine little tuning it needed. So for the actual ombre liner, you're gonna take that same concealer and that flat brush, and you just wanna clean out the outside, and just very, very carefully try to do like 1 stroke. I feel like that's how you get less mistakes. You know, believe in yourself, take a breath, and just go 1 stroke and go bam. Oop, girl, how many strokes I did? I counted 9. Don't listen to me. Yeah, but just follow through, you know, keep it cute, and you'll be good to go. So with that same flat packer brush that we used in the beginning, I actually picked up the shade Axis and I put it in the most inner corner, just for a little pop of color. And then I went in with Rowdy right next to it. Again, don't worry about blending yet, we're just packing the pigments. Then we're gonna go in with All Star, put that next to Rowdy, of course, pack it. Then you're gonna go into Roxy, repeat. And then here at the end of the wing liner, oh girl, that double chin, oh my god. You're gonna go ahead and pack, what's the shade called? Cube. And that's gonna be like our wing in a sense. You'll see it like further down the video. Anyway, you're gonna take the detail brush, like we said at the beginning, you're gonna put Cube on top of Dawn, that base color we put in the inner corner. And then I got this green pencil liner, girl, I don't know, I think I got it from Hush, a mess. Alright, so you're gonna just take that green pencil and run it across your waterline just to give you that little pop of color. And then I'm taking this flat brush from, let me know, what's it called? From e.l.f., yes. And I'm gonna pick up that shade Axis, hello, and set that green pencil in place. Then I'm going into the shade All Star, and we're gonna make this little wing right here. So in that negative space, you're just gonna connect it, and then just slightly blend it. You know, nothing too crazy, just to give it that shape and form. Real cute, real fresh. And I'm gonna take this blending brush from e.l.f. as well, and we're gonna focus on the lower lash line, go into Rowdy, and I'm gonna apply that first and start smoking it out, and then go into All Star, smoking it out. It's all about, you know, transitions and lots of blending. And then Roxy, last but not least, blend it out, and hello, gorgeous. Yes, ma'am. Showing off, my shit got hacked. Love that. And yeah, so go ahead and follow me on socials right here, especially on Twitter. I'm mostly active and love talking to you guys. What the fuck am I doing? Please, oh god. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on here, and I shall see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye. Girl, turn it off. Hello.